November Niner 13 Papa Mike is offered for sale by NextGA Aircraft, specializing in the Columbia and TTX airframe since 2001. This Mintime 2006 350 sports a beautiful and unique black pearl belly with Mojave red stripe and gray Oregon Aerosport seats. Only about 1,030 hours total time since new and 170 hours since top overhaul with 6 new cylinders and lifters on the Platinum Continental 310 horsepower engine. This 350 features digital climate control air conditioning, Garmin G1000 integrated flight deck, a DSB in and out with Bluetooth connectivity and hot prop. This 350 has experienced excellent maintenance and there is no known damage history. The utility category rated 350 is a true coast-to-coast cross-country machine. Fly to your dream destinations in comfort and style with unmatched performance and efficiency. This 350 is located at our facility in Greensboro, North Carolina, where it is available for viewing. Asking price is $369,000, including 350 school. Call William Bird for more details, to plan a visit or make an offer.